Hey there everyone, my name is Fernando, and today we're going to be featuring one really unique ingredient, avocados. We all know that avocados are a really healthy food. They're a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and even vitamin C. Today we're going to show off their versatility as we make some low-carb avocado brownies. This recipe takes about 30 to 45 minutes, including bake time. For those of you who might be interested, this recipe is keto-friendly, but you can swap the coconut sugar and the natural no sugar added peanut butter we use here for normal sugar and or peanut butter. We found everything needed here at Fry's, so let's dig in. We're going to start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. While that's heating, we're going to add 4 large eggs to a bowl, making sure to crack one-handed for bonus points. Next, we're going to pit 2 ripe avocados and add them into the bowl. To slice an avocado, make a cut around the pit all the way around. Now just twist, and you should end up with 2 good halves. Now, carefully embed your knife in the pit and twist. Next, we're going to melt half a stick of butter in a saucepan over low heat. You can also use a microwave-safe bowl and a microwave. Now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of peanut butter. Natural peanut butter is runny because peanuts are naturally oily. When these peanuts get ground up for the peanut butter, peanut oil gets released, which is liquid at room temperature. And then you end up with a ring of oil that sits over the peanut butter. So store it upside down and give it a good shake when you use it. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2/3 a cup of sugar. We're using coconut sugar. And it's finally time to add the cocoa powder. We're going to add 2/3 a cup into our bowl before adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now that our butter is nice and melted, we can add it to the bowl as well. Go ahead and mix it all up. You mix and mix and mix and mix, give it everything play it off with a cool bowl twirl, and make sure you have a member of the production crew taste the batter, and add sugar as necessary. Grease your pan, and typically you want to use an 8-inch by 8-inch pan, but you can make do with what you have. And pour the batter in. Make sure it's even before placing it in our preheated oven. We hope everyone enjoyed this video. Remember to check your brownies with a clean knife and eat what's best for you. Thanks for watching.